A water tank has inlet of two types, type A and type B. All inlets of type A are open and they bring in the water at the same rate. Similarly, all B are same. The empty tank is completely filled in 30 minutes. Okay, so that's one set of information, 30 minutes if 10A and 45B are open simultaneously. So here we have two kinds of things, and here I'm going to use a principle. Let me quickly get you acquainted with that principle. We have three variables to deal with in any question of work rate. One variable is manpower or machine power, amount of work to be done, and the time. So this is time, this is amount of work, and this is manpower. And we need to understand what kind of relationship is there among these variables. So manpower is directly proportional to work, directly proportional because when work increases, the manpower also increases, and decrease of work requires decrease in manpower. And similarly, manpower is inversely proportional to time because greater time requires lesser manpower and vice versa. So we combine these relationship and finally we get manpower is proportional to work over time, which gives us manpower is equal to some constant work over time, this case the constant of proportionality. And this gives us a generalized principle that manpower into time upon work is equal to constant if we have more than one scenarios. So here how I'm going to apply this is, in the first scenario I'm going to use manpower into time over work, and I'm going to equate it with the similar relationship in the second scenario, that means M2 T2 over W2. Okay, let's quickly use it here. In the first case 30 minutes, and so 10 type A is the efficiency of inlet A plus 45B, and the time taken is 30 minutes to finish one work is equal to 1 hour, 8 inlet A and 18 inlet B. So 8A plus 18B times 60 divided by 1. Let's quickly simplify this. So we have here divided by 2. Simplifying this gives us 10A plus 45B is equal to 16A plus 36B. That gives us 6A is equal to 9B and A is equal to 1.5 times of B. That means inlet A is 50% more efficient than inlet B. Now, knowing this relationship, now we are going to apply this in another scenario and find out our answer. Let's quickly see what our question is. The question is basically asking that 7 inlet A, so 7A plus 27B are taking how much time? Let's assume that they are taking T time, and this should also be equal to the first scenario like we had. That means 10A plus 45B multiplied by 30. This is going to give us the time in minutes. Now let's simply equate it by substituting A equal to 1.5B. So what we get here is 7 multiplied by 1.5B plus 27B multiplied by T is equal to I'm substituting 1.5B, so that becomes 15B plus 45B multiplied by 30. That gives us T is equal to 60B multiplied by 30 divided by 7 times 1.5. Okay, that is 105, 10.5 plus 27. So 37.5 times of B, it cancels out this way. So now we have 60 into 30 divided by 37.5. So I'm going to write it 375 multiplied by 10 in the top side. Now it can be divided by 5 as I can see. 5, 7, 5, 5 divides it 6 times. Now this can be divided by 3 as well. So in fact 15. 15, 4, 5 divides it 2 times. So now we have 48. That means a total of 48 minutes is what it is going to take. So our answer becomes option E. I hope that helps. So the most important thing about this video is the principle that I have explained, because it's a generalized principle which can be applied to any problem of work rate. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching this video.